Hello guys, and welcome back for another video. So this video is a part 2 of a video that I've done about me stopping to lose weight on keto and how I was going to handle it. And in that video I promised that I was going to do a part 2 of this video once the problem is solved, and now we are 2 or 3 weeks later and I actually reached my goal weight. And before we cut to the main part of this video, if you guys are new to this channel, then welcome. I would love to have you subscribe. This channel is all about making keto life simple for you. We do a lot of keto recipes, keto tips, and everything about keto. So if you want more of this, please hit this button and then we will keep you updated. So I am not so happy actually, because I have noticed that I should still lose about 5 kilos more to be really good. I actually thought that when I was 80 kilos I was really thin, and that's true. When I was 18 I was about 80 kilos, and now when I got back to the same weight I realized I still have these love handles here. I mean, on my weight loss journey, I have now lost 30 kilos. I used to look like this. Now I look like this. So it's incomparable, but it's still not perfect. I still need to lose about 5 more kilos. So I have a new goal weight. I am also really happy that I reached my goal weight a few days ago because I'm turning 30. Woo! I actually turned 30 yesterday and we're going to have my party today. I knew that I was going to celebrate and eat a lot of stuff, so I'm going to show you my weight graph. And I did have a little bump and then it went back because the stuff that I'm eating is still keto, but I'm eating a lot of it. My wife is making amazing cakes, keto cakes, and I'm actually going to link it here. This link might not work in the beginning because we are just now making the video. So once the video is also uploaded on YouTube, I will go back and yeah, you understand. So in this part 1 of this video, I was mainly whining and complaining about 3 problems that I was having. One of them is too much stress, and too much stress can basically stop your weight loss. And basically the situation that I was talking about in the company was handled. Life is a lot less stressful now. The move is done. We moved from a place here and it was already when we had way too much on our plate and my company was not doing good. Yeah. But now I'm very calm. I am also sleeping a lot better. There is a stress massage by Dr. Eric Berg that me and my wife do a lot of times before we go to sleep. So generally, when you're not sleep is also a very good stress reducer. So definitely worked on me. And funny enough, the other 2 problems that I mentioned, it was that I'm going to cut down on the keto desserts because my wife is amazing and cooking all these different types of keto stuff. And also I was having a problem with keto sweeteners because they do spike your insulin when you eat them, or most of them do, and then they will make you feel hungry. Funny enough, I completely messed up on this. I still ate a lot of keto desserts. I'm still eating a lot of keto sweets, but this is what I do, which I think is very important and useful. I very much focused on intermittent fasting, and this is also something new to me because the first 15 kilos that I lost on my weight loss journey, I actually lost with calorie counting. And then I watched a lot of videos where people say calorie counting doesn't work, you have to do keto. And I was you cannot tell me that calorie counting doesn't work. I myself lost 15 kilos or 30 pounds. How can you say that it doesn't work? But the thing is, I actually got convinced because calorie counting sounds very logical. You eat a certain amount of calories and you burn certain amount of calories. And then obviously if you burn more calories, then you lose weight. But unfortunately, as many things in life, this is not this simple, because your body basically independently of your will controls how much calories you burn. And it does it by hormones, and hormones like insulin and growth hormone, which means even if you're cutting your calories, your body all of a sudden can decide to also cut the calories that you're burning. So then you're basically starving yourself and eating less calories, but your body is you over because it's not burning those calories, because it's basically lessening the amount of calories that you're burning. And many times the people who lose weight with calorie counting also happen to me. Once you're done with your calorie restriction diet and you go back to eating normal, you gain weight like insane. And that is because your body, as a protection against you eating less calories, it starts cutting the calories that you burn. And once you're like eating your normal calories, your body's burning a lot less. Like if you compare yourself to, like, you take two guys that are 80 kilos each, and this guy was 110 kilos before but went down to 80 kilos with calorie restriction, his metabolic rate or burning calories will be much less than this guy, because like his body was basically adapting to the calorie restriction, and he will just gain weight like insane eating the same amount of calories that this guy just eats to maintain his weight. So basically the solution to this that I have found is that you have to work with your body and you have to work with your hormones. And the way to do that is basically when you have insulin in your body, which is a hormone that is promoting fat storage, it stops fat burning. Like it basically makes the sugar into fat when you eat it. It basically produces fat in your body and everything that is related to gaining weight. So in the absence of this hormone, that's the only time when it's possible to burn real fat. So what I actually did is I was very strictly trying to eat once a day. And if I was too hungry, I was making sure that the second meal was very close to the other meal. And if I was eating keto desserts, like I said, I did eat keto desserts, then it was in that one eating or pretty much straight after, so it wouldn't raise my insulin. And I even dropped the morning coffee and anything basically that could in any way kick me out of fat burning and increase my insulin. And it worked. As you can see on the graph, I started losing weight again. It's a very, very nice feeling because now that I reached my goal weight, I don't have this like anxiety about losing weight. Like for example, 2 days after reaching my goal weight was my family birthday party. And it was the first time in many, many years that I could just like eat the food. I mean, it was all keto food, you know, but I was eating a lot of it and I couldn't give a It was like so nice to just be able to eat food and not worry about that now I'm going to gain weight from it. It's a very, very good feeling. Basically, this is how I handled my bug or my plateauing on keto. And as me and my wife are going to start doing keto coaching very soon, I'm very interested if this information helped you. If it didn't, then please let me know in the comments what problems that you're having trouble with if you stalled on keto or you're not losing weight on keto. And I would be very happy to help and maybe even make a video about it. Please make sure that you subscribe if you want to see videos just like this one. See you in the next video. Keto on. Ciao, ciao.